I have had my friend do this Temu gifting of a thing whereby you get to refer people and then Temu gifts you some product that you get to select on your own choice. So at some point I was like, Temu is a scam. Temu can never, is it Temu or Temu? I don't really know, but anyone. Temu can never ever give you something for free without you working or struggling so hard to gain it. It happened that my brother tried it out, and also there's this friend of mine that also tried it out. They called me on phone and were like, please, can you help me accept this link? I was like, anything that concerns Temu is a practical joke. Like, don't even expect anything serious from them. Look at me in the next few days. I had to join the wagon. This is really so funny because if there is actually someone on this Nigeria that carries Temu, criticizes Temu, that's going to be me. There's this my friend that practically goes to his DM. I rant concerning Temu. Even on my WhatsApp status, I rant so well concerning Temu. But right now, who is a fan of Temu? Who is a lover of Temu? Who is a beneficiary of Temu? So, what I will be sharing with you all today is, in this video to say, is ways in which you can get free gift items from Temu. It is so easy when you have the right audience and when you also put in the right strategies that I'll be placing out right now. One of the main things you need to do for you to get free gift items from Temu is to be strategic. Yes, you heard me right. You have to be strategic enough. Okay, I got this lesson from my friends because I tried this gifting promo of a thing from Temu and I failed the first time. The first time it expired. My link expired. The second time my link expired. It was now the third time. I was like, no, I need to find out what can actually make me or help me get these free gift items without losing all the people that I've referred. We all know that for you to get these free gift items from Temu, you have to refer not less than 11 to 12 to 16, sometimes 19 persons. Recently, they have just increased it to 30 persons and also increased it to, I think, the least maximum is 23 persons. But the highest I've seen so far is 30 persons. So, for you to be able to access all these free gifts, you have to call people. Not just a person or two person or three persons. You have to be ready to call 11, 12, 16, 18, 19, 20 upwards, depending on the number of persons they asked you to invite to download their app and also make you eligible to get the free gift items. Go around your school, go around anywhere you want to go around. Make sure that the people that you are trying to count on that will help you to get these free gift items are going to be new app users and not old app users. You can as well use the old app users, but they can only limit you to just 4 persons. The 4 persons doesn't even count on the number of persons that Temu requires you to bring to them. They will require you to bring 19 persons, 19 new app users. Meanwhile, you are allowed to also bring 4 old app users. But mind you, the 4 old app users won't count as part of the 19 new app users that they actually want you to get for them. So, getting the old app users will just help deduct tiny coins from the main coin that you have left. Let's just say you call an old app user, they might deduct just 0.08 coins for you, sometimes 0.01 coins for you, depending. But I believe that the first one is to be strategic. First of all, before you start applying or before you start getting a link or choosing the free gift items, make sure that you already have 10 to 11 or maybe 12 persons standing by already, waiting for you to just send up the link and they are already into Temu, downloading Temu and accepting your free gift invites. That is number 1. Then number 2, if it is possible for you, create a group chat. I did it personally. The first one I did to get my own free gift, which I'll be unboxing in my next video, I had to call several persons. I had to even go to extra mile to call my brothers, tell him to refer his friends to me, tell my younger ones to also refer their friends to me, their classmates to me, because obviously everybody knows about them. Every single adult, every single Gen Z knows about them. So if you are looking out, mind you have to look out for millennials or perhaps all these grandmothers who have Android phones, this is the third step for you to actually achieve the free gifts from Temu. The first one is to be strategic enough. Get people before you start up the free gifts item. The second one is to create a group chat and add all those people in there, so that once you get the link, you just send it straight up to the group chat. Perhaps if they don't respond so well, you go into their DMs separately and make sure that they get to accept your invites by clicking on your link. That's where you can be assured that each and every one of them clicked your link when you go to their DMs. So the group chat is just to make you or help you know that, okay, I've gathered like 12 to 18 persons already, so I'm kind of fit to like go into it. But there are chances that all these people that you called may not be able to access the link that moment. So don't worry, because Temu gives you 24 hours for your link to go through, or else it expires. So you practically have like a day to work these things out. That was why I said before you start it, you have to get people. So the third one is to look particularly for older people. When I mean older people, I mean millennials. I mean like the mommy set of kind of people, like, how would I put it, all these old people, not like old, but like all these mommy, daddy who are not really into trends. Yes, they are the best people for this Temu free gift of a thing, because they practically don't have this Temu on their phone. And whoever that is going to download the Temu on their phone is going to be a younger one, maybe their son or their daughter or anybody close to them. But for you to be on the right track, look out for this set of people. You can also get it from adults like us, but they are just few, because every single body is trying to get the free gifts. Then here comes those people who you send links to, and they'll be like, please, I don't click this link, that's the information I have in my account in my phone is too bulky, it's too big. Like they'll be saying all those stuffs like they are millionaires. If you can't click to the link, there are other ways too. Temu has link, it has codes. You can decide to use link, you can decide to use code. Okay, if you're afraid of link, why don't you just go ahead and then use codes? But I guess it's just personal choice. I will still talk about the link and the code, how it works, but that will be on my next video. So for right now, these 3 steps I believe will actually help you get free gift items from Temu with no stress. The only time when you are going to stress is when those persons that you called, they are not so active to fill up the gap, or to fill up your to reduce your coins for you to be able to achieve the 0.00 coins that you need for you to get the free gift items packaged and sent down to you. Yes, the packages come from China, so it practically takes 3 weeks maximum, I think, because my first shipped parcel came in, I would say, within 3 weeks or so. I didn't really keep count, but there is this tracking days that they give you on Temu. It will also help you to know when your product or when your parcel has been shipped off from China down to airports, down to your country, and down to your location. So it's not going to be a doorstep delivery, but it's going to be a location delivery. So everly, you are going to get your delivery right in your location. You don't need to stress or pay anything, nothing. I got mine free of charge. I didn't pay for delivery fee, I didn't pay for the cost, I didn't pay for shipping, I didn't pay for anything. Everything was absolutely free. Please do well to like this video if you find it useful, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you learned a lot. To everyone who has been supporting us one way or the other, who have subscribed to our channel, thank you so much for subscribing. If you find this video helpful, please kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. It's really hard to. Oh, it was actually locked. Can you imagine? Like, are you guys seeing this? It was actually locked.